the money that I put forward is very valuable. Each dollar counts to me. So I'm very invested in how it's used. I'm Phil Simons from the company We Sound Human. We create music samples and instruments for anybody who's a music creative that wants to utilize sounds to enhance the work that they do. Organic traffic was a good driver for us. And so I dove into learning everything I could about that. It's a long process. I started out as a one-man show, and I still try to be as hands-on as I possibly can, especially in key areas that I feel that's extremely important. But it came to the point where I was running ads for the company, and it just felt like every little penny is a big decision. Put the money forward each month and realize this is coming out of whatever money I have in my pocket. I just realized as much as I could learn, it would be more valuable for me to spend time in product development, support, to understand and realize what customers are actually wanting, and then develop products for that, because that's what I had done all along. I had looked at some other Google courses. It was just kind of the basics. And then I ran across Kasim and John's videos on YouTube for Solutions 8. And I thought, this is cool. I watched videos for a few more days. Then I reached out to them and had a great interview. You could tell immediately from the interview process, the questions were very deep. I could tell it was a good fit from their end. And so that's a beautiful process, just to have somebody to hand that off to that I can trust and know that they have the best interest of the company in mind, of the finances involved. It also allows me to just get back into what I feel like I should be doing personally to grow the business and allow them to grow that portion of the business.